What's up, guys? We got the Kizer Pokiman knife here today. I want to do a quick overview on it and kind of give my initial impressions of the knife. Just picked this up a few days ago. Haven't done much with it. Decided I'm going to go ahead and do a quick video on it, talk about what I think of it, and then later on I'll be comparing it to another knife I picked up. And we're going to do kind of, run it through the paces, test the knives out a little bit, see what's what and who's who. Like I said, Kizer Pokiman. Says it right there on the blade. Boom. D2 steel, as you see. Gray wash finish. 3.6 inch sheep foot. Thickness 0.11 inches thick. Got a flat grind. Also, you get this knife with the AEBL blade and aluminum handle. But this is not that one. It just can be gotten in that. Handle, 4.21 inches long. Color of it, obviously, olive green micarta. This is layered fiber micarta. Pretty cool. Has a kind of a deep pocket clip. Nothing special there. The lock system is the crossbar lock. It has the Kizer clutch lock system as well. I have not messed with that. It is a factory set. Maybe one day I'll adjust that and check out the different adjustments, but I have not yet done that. All right. The length of the whole knife, 7.36 inches. There it is, next to a dollar bill. The weight, 2.68 ounces. That's right. Nice weight on it. Not too heavy. Perfect little everyday carry knife for, all your little tasks. Speaking of that, it's more of a gentleman's knife, I feel. Meant for daily tasks, around the house. Walking around your concrete jungle. Lightish duty, in my opinion. Now, when we start putting it through its paces, testing her out, maybe that will change. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it can handle some heavier, medium heavy duty stuff. And there is a reason why that might possibly be possible than some other knives, like the one I'm going to compare it to. I'm not going to get into that right now. I'll get into that when I'm doing the comparison. All right. What I like about this knife, I like the texture of the handle. The micarta looks nice. Not sure how well the camera's going to pick that up. But I like the different tones in the handle, which will change over time with the oils and stuff from your skin. All that good stuff. I like the blade shape. I think it's going to be nice for, duties around the house, opening packages, cutting any little thing you need. With that sheep's foot, you don't have to have too much of an angle on it to get that nice cutting point down onto something. So, I think it's going to be excellent at daily tasks. Some things I don't like. For one, I don't care for the name. I think it's fairly silly. And I definitely do not like the thumb stud. Not sure why we have to put these colors on a lot of the knives these days. I don't know what's up with that trend. I don't like it. I think it looks silly, and it definitely turns me off on the look of the knife. It's kind of just one of the things that I'm kind of dealing with. Seeing this knife online, I like the look of it. It looks military-ish. Color of the blade, the micarta, the green micarta. Looks kind of tactical, almost military colors. And then you got this purple thumb stud. Don't make any sense to me whatsoever. I don't know why that's a trend or a thing. But hey, there it is. That's a pet peeve of mine. I don't like it. That's about it for the overview of this knife. I am going to do some tests with it. I'm going to do a comparison with another knife, and we'll test out both knives and see which one comes out on top. It's very similar to this one. I paid $39 or $49? I believe $39.99 on Amazon recently for this knife. But guys, alright, stay tuned. If you want to see the test with this knife, the comparison with another knife, and a lot of other things we're going to have going on, we'll have all different types of weapons. Throwing knives, axes, pocket knives, pretty much anything and everything. Lots of other stuff I've had for quite some time. Do some tests on it, give my opinion on other things going on in the community. Might even get a little controversial. And that's what we're going to do here. Oh, real quick. Bag it came with extra hardware. Got some springs, some screws. A little cloth to wipe her down, I guess. And a little sticker. Pretty cool, came with it. That's the one I got. All in all, not exactly sure what I think of the knife yet. I'm going to get out there, put it through its paces, and we'll get it figured out. All right, guys.